How to read WhatsApp messages without blue tick marks. To do this, open your WhatsApp, then touch the three dots icon on the top right corner. Next, choose Settings. After, tap on Privacy, then tap on Read Receipts. Switch button to turn it off. Now, nobody will see if you already read a message unless if it's in a group. With this option turn it off, if you read a message from a private conversation with a friend, for example, if you read the message, your friend wants to know if you already read it, but you won't either if someone read your message if it's not in a group. Touch the subscribe button for more WhatsApp tutorials.